Today we're going to visit 4 important locations here in Taipei. We're starting at the 228 Peace Memorial Park. Next we'll visit Taipei National Museum. After that we'll head to Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. And we'll end at Daan Park. As you can see, it's raining. It's going to be a full day. So let's get started. This large city park is dedicated to the February 28th, 1947 incident between the Kuomintang government and the Taiwanese locals. Bender was brutalized. This sparked an anti-government protest. The government responded violently, killing thousands of people. This is known as the White Terror era here in Taiwan. This area has been a park since 1900. The name was changed in 1996 to honor the victims. You'll see it's a beautiful green space. There's a monument in the center of the park to honor the victims. There's also a small museum which is located in an old radio station. That station was used to broadcast the demands of the protesters. This is kind of interesting. This is a stone footpath for pressure points on your feet. I dipped into the museum for a bit. I thought maybe the rain would clear up after I got out, but it's raining harder now, so we'll just carry on. This rainy weather is actually kind of a nice break. It's been like 90 degrees and 90% humidity every single day I've been here. Today's about 75. It actually feels kind of chilly. I expected this weather. I am traveling during rainy season. Right now is late May. This is about the flimsiest umbrella I've ever had. Keeps popping inside out. Way to Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. This monument was built to honor former president of Taiwan, Chiang Kai-shek. Chiang Kai-shek was a revolutionary and a politician. He served as president of Taiwan from 1928 until 1975. This is an absolutely massive space. There's the main monument. There's also a national concert hall and a national theater. There's the main entrance. Really huge space right in the center of Taipei. I'm not sure what's going on here. I think there's obviously some type of event. I think there's a holiday coming up, so it could be related to that. This is a rather imposing looking structure, which is so massive. There are 2 sets of stairs, each with 89 steps. That represents Chiang's age when he passed away. This thing's huge. Originally, Chiang Kai-shek governed mainland China until his government was overthrown by the Chinese Communist Party in 1949. After that, he governed the Republic of China from Taipei. Chiang Kai-shek died in 1975, and this monument opened in 1980. I'm just impressed by how absolutely massive this monument is. It takes up a huge amount of prime real estate right here in the center of Taipei. As you can see, the monument is surrounded by a park. On the ground floor, there's a museum with exhibits about Chiang Kai-shek and his life and career. What about the flimsiest that ever existed? Chiang Kai-shek is a bit of a controversial figure. The mainland Chinese generally have a negative view of him. From what I understand, they consider him a failed and corrupt leader because he lost control of the country. In Taiwan, he's viewed much more favorably. His supporters credit him with ending China's century of humiliation. He also led China through World War II. I don't really know enough about the history to have an opinion on him. He is definitely an interesting historical figure. Stop to grab a bubble tea. I got this in the bottom of the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. $50 Taiwan, about, I don't know, $1.50 or so US. The museum in the bottom is free to visit. Actually, the whole memorial is free to visit. This is Daan Park, basically Taipei's answer to Central Park in New York. Just a huge public park. This park was established in 1994. Before that, this land was occupied by squatters who had built like makeshift houses and other structures here. The city came in and removed them and built this beautiful park. It was land that was already owned by the city. Taiwan seems to have really effective government. It's really clean. People seem healthy and slim. There's almost zero homelessness, nobody camping on the streets, no drugged out zombies walking around. It's just really, really clean and well run country. I've been drinking loads of bubble tea since I've been here. Evidently it was invented here. They're supposed to have the best. I had never even tried it before coming to Taiwan, even though it's really popular back home. I don't know if I even like it that much. It's nice for like 3 sips, but then I just want to drink a normal beverage. What do you guys think? You like bubble tea? It's been drizzling the entire day. Has not let up for 1 second. I don't mind, I like the rain, but it's just kind of annoying for going sightseeing. Alright you guys, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up here. My ankle is kind of starting to bother me. I think I've been walking too much and not resting it enough. So please like and subscribe, that will help me out. I've got more Taiwan videos in the works. And let's see, day after tomorrow I'm heading to another country. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.